Hey guys, this is 𝗟𝗶𝗄 and welcome back to a new video. So guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you super battery backup script file with setEdit command. But guys, before starting video, make sure you like this video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. And guys, this script is 100% working and I am personally using this script file to increase my battery backup. So guys, without any further delay, let me show you how you can apply this script file. So guys, first of all, download this script file from the link. After download, go to the downloaded folder and first you have to apply this script file. To apply this script file, simply copy this file and after copy, go to the internal storage, Android data, and here simply paste the file. So guys, we have successfully applied the file. After this, open the setEdit app, and guys, if you don't have setEdit app, you can download it from Play Store and it's free. After open setEdit app, simply add this given command. So guys, we have added all the commands successfully. After edit command, go to home page and simply reboot your device, because when we reboot device, our command will re-execute. So guys, I hope this will help you to increase your battery backup, and if you like my videos, then simply subscribe my channel to get more amazing videos. So guys, that's all for today. See you next video. Till then, take care and signing out.